Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Samsung Magician. Samsung Magician software is powerful, not magic but close. It is designed to support Samsung's full range of memory products, including internal SSDs, portable SSDs, memory cards, and USB flash drives. The latest version integrates data migration software, portable SSD software, and the memory card or UFD authentication utility into one comprehensive solution. It now supports Windows, Mac OS, and Android, offering an intuitive interface and extensive customization features that make boosting drive performance feel effortless. While some features work with Samsung-manufactured OEM SSDs or other brands, Magician is optimized specifically for Samsung storage products and does not support SSDs connected via SCSI controller interfaces. Drive information provides quick, real-time indicators of your drive's health, temperature, performance, and optimization status. Genuine authentication ensures you unlock the full performance of authentic Samsung memory product through a simple verification process. Requiring an internet connection, with Smart Check, you can detect potential SSD failure early by reviewing detailed health diagnostics. Performance Benchmark allows you to turn ideal drive performance into reality with customizable settings for test volume, chunk size, and more. Though a manual refresh may be needed when testing newly attached drives, performance optimization lets you choose between maximum speed or greater power efficiency, tailoring performance to your needs. Diagnostic Scan offers a quick way to identify and resolve potential issues, while over-provisioning allocates free blocks to improve maintenance efficiency, boost speeds, and extended travel lifespan for enhanced SSD experience. Let's see its pricing. Pricing for Samsung Magician is completely free. There is no subscription, no paid tiers, and no premium version to unlock. All tools, features, and futures updates are included at no cost, making it fully accessible to every Samsung storage user. Now, we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Samsung Magician monitors SSD health, performance, and temperature, offers easy in-app firmware updates, and provides effective secure erase and optimization tools. On the downside, it works only with Samsung SSDs, sometimes crashes or fails to detect drives. An older version had security bugs that require skipping the software update. Now, we will see its customer feedback. Most users appreciate the app's ability to monitor device performance and provide timely firmware updates. However, many customers also report recurring bugs, unexpected crashes, and issues with device detection. As a result, a large number of users install the app primarily to receive updates but choose not to keep it running continuously. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.